Revive your ride with TOPDC's 20-foot jumper cables, the hero your dead battery deserves. When your battery is on life support, the TOPDC zero-gauge 20-feet jumper cables swoop in to save the day. These heavy-duty automotive booster cables are your go-to for jump-starting dead or weak batteries in cars, SUVs, and trucks. With a robust 20-foot reach, they give you the flexibility to jumpstart any vehicle, even when parked in the most awkward of spots. What sets TOPDC apart from the rest? It's the unbeatable quality and durability of these cables. Constructed from premium PVC, these cables resist freezing, cracking, and tangling, ensuring they remain flexible even in harsh weather conditions. Each cable is UL listed, meaning they've passed the ultimate tests for safety and performance, so you can confidently rely on them to deliver the jolt your battery needs. In an emergency, you need gear that works fast and efficiently. TOPDC jumper cables come equipped with industrial-strength alligator clamps featuring jagged teeth and powerful springs for a secure grip. These clamps make a reliable connection every time, eliminating the frustration of loose or faulty connections. Plus, the insulating rubber material ensures user safety, giving you peace of mind while jump-starting your vehicle. Convenience is key with the TOPDC jumper cables. They come with a handy carry bag, making storage and transport a breeze. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time road warrior, these cables are compact enough to stow away in your trunk, ready to spring into action when needed. They're the must-have tool for every vehicle emergency kit, saving you time and stress. Built to last, the TOPDC jumper cables come with a 5-year quality assurance, underscoring the company's commitment to delivering top-notch products. With over 20 years of experience in automotive solutions, TOPDC has crafted a reliable, high-performance product that stands head and shoulders above the competition. Don't get caught with a dead battery. Invest in TOPDC and keep your adventures on the road, not the roadside.